Good morning everyone. I Anshika Pandey of class 12B going to tell you about my exhibition, that is the evolution of money. How money came into the existence in the market of today's world. We would like to tell you about barter system, plastic money, paper money and digital money. Now I would like to say about barter system.
So when trade first came into existence, the barter system was used. In this system, a commodity was exchanged for another commodity. One person having rice would have exchanged his rice for wheat from another person. But the main problem in this system was there was lack of double coincidence of wants sometimes. People who wanted rice would not get rice in exchange for their wheat. So to overcome this problem, metallic money came into existence.
Metallic money refers to those coins and currencies which were made out of precious metals, and those metals were like gold and copper, and this made us to introduce paper money, because carrying out so much amount or large amount of metallic money was difficult for everyone.
Paper money. It is a currency made from paper issued by the government and central bank. It is a fiat money.
But the last main problem with money was it could be stolen from you. So to overcome this problem, plastic money was invented. In this system, people were given cards like debit cards and credit cards, through which their accounts could be controlled. And if in case the card is stolen, you could just block your card so that no one can withdraw money from your account. In this way, humans overcame every problem about money they faced. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is the earthquake alarm sensing project. When the earthquake is there, the metal wire touches the copper wire and the buzzers suddenly start to vibrate. And the people who are living in the building, who are staying in the building, they came to know there is an earthquake, and they can come out from the building and they can save their life. Thank you. Alarm sensing project. When there is an earthquake, the metal wire touches the copper wire and the buzzer started vibrating, and the people who are living in the building came to know there is an earthquake and they can come out from the building and they can save their lives. Thank you.
Good morning. This is to show that how the thermal energy is generated from water to boil it. And now my friend Siddharth will tell you how does the coal comes and enters into furnace.
Firstly, coal come from mine through locomotive and truck, and then stacker used to collect the coal in order, and crusher used to crush the coal into small pieces, and hydraulic pressure used to put the coal on conveyor belt, and conveyor belt used to put the coal in furnace.
Now the collected water in dam will passes through filtration tank, and after filter it will goes in this boiler, and furnace heat up the boiler. Water will change into steam and passes through metallic pipe into the turbine.
Now the turbine used to rotate the motor and transform the low volt electricity, and the transformer transform low electricity into high voltage.
After that, the transformer distribute all the electricity in cities.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. This is the project on global warming. Here we have made it factories and chimneys, and we have put a dhoop agarbatti on top that will make smoke. And here we have made it greenhouse effect also. There are many reasons for global warming, such as greenhouse gases and pollution and deforestation. This is save earth and this is a dead animal. You can see here because of sun the glacier melts.
I am going to tell you about some few lines of global warming. Global warming is a critical problem in our world today. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane balls plays a vital role causing global warming. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We are from class 16.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Here we have a model of a village. Now I will tell you some differences between a village and a city. Villages are small as compared to city. Villages don't have much facilities, so they do farming to earn money. Villages are full of green trees, whereas a city is full of lights. Village life is simple and peacefully. Village people live together and celebrate all the festivals together. Farmers doing working for earn monies.
A well is used as the main source of drinking water, but now villagers has got so many facilities, but still there are some villages who are using wells. Thank you.